Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's already February, but it's time for polish pickup. Today I'm going to be sharing Glisten & Glow's contribution to the February 2022 polish pickup. The theme for this month is 90s TV, and Glisten & Glow has a fun, flaky polish, as well as their Cuticle Remover and Cuticle Oil Pen duo, and these are only going to be available for a limited time on the Polish Pickup website from February 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until February 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. For indie pickup, we've got the Cuticle Remover and Cuticle Oil Pen duo in the classic lip smacker scents of strawberry and watermelon. The Cuticle Remover is scented in strawberry, and this is going to help soften and remove any excess cuticle. This is a twist style brush pen applicator, so I'm going to twist the bottom until I see product coming out of the brush end. Now my cuticles aren't in the best shape, they're not in the worst either, but I'm taking this product and I'm applying it around my cuticle. Then I'll let that sit for about 60 seconds to soften up my cuticle, and I'll take my glass cuticle pusher and gently push back my cuticles. Then I'll wash it with warm soap and water, and here is what it looks like after the Cuticle Remover. The Cuticle Oil has the same twist style brush pen applicator. Again, I'm going to twist the bottom until I see product coming out of the brush. This one is scented in watermelon, and it's going to help hydrate your cuticles, your nails, and the skin around your nails. I like to apply this around my cuticles and under my free edge, and I try to do this every night before bed and whenever I remove my nail polish. This Cuticle Remover and Cuticle Oil duo is going to be available for $12.50, and there is no cap. And for polish pickup, Glisten & Glow's polish is called Miss Fine, which is described as a bright magenta jelly polish filled with color-shifting iridescent flakes that shift from blue to purple to pink, and red to orange to green to gold, and vibrant fuchsia shreds, and a pop of hollow microflakes. This polish was inspired by the 90s TV hit The Nanny, and I used 3 coats to really build up that super bright magenta jelly base. Miss Fine is going to be available for $13 each, and again, there is no cap. I finished off my swatch with 1 coat of Glisten & Glow's top coat, and here are 3 coats of Miss Fine. And to show you what this polish looks like matte, I'm going to apply 1 coat of Glisten & Glow's matte top coat. And I love how this transforms this polish, especially those chrome flakes. I think it tones them down just a little bit so that the other flakes really shine through. And it kind of gives a whole new look to this polish. And here's a comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Miss Fine. So that's all for today's video. Again, the polish and the Cuticle Remover and Cuticle Oil Pen duo are going to be available at polishpickup.com, and only from February 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until February 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The polish retails for $13 each, and the Cuticle Remover and Oil Pen duo retail for $12.50 each. I'll leave links down below to the Polish Pickup website as well as the Glisten & Glow website. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!